Did you know that every second, millions of lightning strikes hit the Earth, carrying enough power to destroy an entire building? In today's video, we'll take you on a journey to explore the most unexpected lightning moments through the most realistic compilation videos. Not only that, but you'll also learn how nature creates this incredible force, gain valuable lessons from real-life incidents, and, most importantly, discover safety measures to protect yourself. A man was walking through the forest during a heavy rainstorm when suddenly a lightning bolt struck right in front of him. The blinding flash of light and the deafening roar of thunder.
Oh my God, that scared the shit out of me.
The continuous lightning strikes along the coastline create a scene that is both majestic and terrifying.
Not right. Oh my God!
Hit that tree.
Wow.
Inside.
Terrifying. The lightning struck a tree and spread, affecting the nearby dog. So dangerous. The lightning completely destroyed the phone and caused him to have a painful hand. Amazing! Lightning struck the plane while it was flying, but thankfully most planes are designed to withstand lightning strikes. The girl was recording a video when lightning struck directly on the nearby streetlight.
Oh, shit! Holy shit, that tree just got hit right there.
There was a girl recording a video of the rain when lightning struck directly on a nearby house. So dangerous!
Holy shit!
So dangerous! While the girl was moving water in the rain, lightning suddenly struck right next to her, creating a scene that was both unexpected and terrifying. Terrifying. As the man was walking along the road, a lightning bolt suddenly struck right next to the nearby forest, creating a scene that was both dangerous and astonishing. A car was traveling on the road when it was suddenly struck by lightning. A brilliant flash of light accompanied by a loud explosion startled everyone who witnessed it. The lightning bolts continuously struck a nearby building, creating a scene that was both majestic and dangerous.
picking up now. Here we go.
Holy Holy
When the young man went outside with an umbrella in the rain, a lightning bolt suddenly struck a nearby utility pole, making the situation extremely dangerous. This clearly highlights the importance of not carrying metal objects, such as umbrellas with metal frames, during thunderstorms.
Wow!
Whoa! Wow! Shit! Oh my God!
Truly terrifying and frightening. When the lightning struck the middle of the river, it created a loud, echoing explosion and an intense, dramatic scene. While the car was driving on the road, a sudden lightning bolt struck a tree, causing it to fall across the road and resulting in an accident.
Whoa! Whoa! Dude, I got hit on...
As the young man and his girlfriend were about to swim in the sea, a lightning bolt suddenly struck the water, creating a scene both terrifying and extremely dangerous. Do not be reckless. While lying down, a sudden lightning bolt struck right next to me, causing dirt and rocks to scatter everywhere, creating a terrifying and powerful scene. As the car was driving down the road, a lightning bolt suddenly struck it, creating a scene that was both dangerous and alarming. Fortunately, thanks to the car's special design with a metal shell acting as a Faraday cage, most of the electrical current from the lightning was conducted around the outside of the car, protecting those inside. Terrifying. Two men were repairing something when a lightning bolt suddenly struck nearby, causing one of them to be thrown off. A man was swimming when a lightning bolt suddenly struck near the area of the sea where he was swimming. This is a serious reminder.
Echt vlak voor mijn kankerneus.
A girl was swimming when a lightning bolt suddenly struck nearby, causing her to panic and quickly run toward the shore. How terrifying! The man was recording a video when a lightning bolt suddenly struck a nearby house, leaving him utterly frightened. Absolutely terrifying and unexpected. While a plane was parked on the runway, a lightning bolt suddenly struck it, creating a scene that was both shocking and dangerous. Two men were talking when a lightning bolt suddenly struck nearby, causing them to panic and rush into the house. It's a dangerous situation during storms, so avoid going outside in such weather.
Holy shit! Oh my God, I recorded it!
Two people were having an outdoor wedding when a lightning bolt suddenly struck nearby, causing everyone to panic. During storms, it's best to stay indoors for safety, so please avoid going outside. A person was on a crane when a lightning bolt suddenly struck, creating a scene that was both horrifying and terrifying. The rain is pouring down like a torrent, thunder roaring and lightning striking loudly right in front of the yard, creating a scene both majestic and terrifying.
Right underneath lightning strike, by the way. Yeah, it was. Oh, yes, I got that!
Thunder just struck right next to the house. The deafening sound so powerful, it felt as if it tore through the stillness of the space. The entire sky lit up in an instant, followed by a massive boom echoing from all directions, making the heart skip a beat. Thunder struck fiercely right behind the Statue of Liberty, with lightning bolts tearing through the night sky, creating a dramatic and majestic scene. The flashes of lightning illuminated the statue, reflecting off its surface and transforming this symbol of freedom and hope into something more surreal and awe-inspiring than ever before. Fierce lightning struck the mountain peak, with bolts tearing through the darkened sky, illuminating the entire space in brief yet commanding flashes. Each time the lightning lit up, the silhouette of the mountain stood tall and majestic, evoking a sense that nature itself was showcasing its ultimate power.
Yeah.
A dazzling lightning bolt struck down, instantly branching out into countless smaller streaks like a web of light spreading across the sky. The scene was both stunningly beautiful, like a brilliant painting crafted by nature's hand, and terrifying in its destructive power. A fierce lightning bolt struck directly onto the roof, and in the blink of an eye, flames erupted powerfully, spreading rapidly and illuminating an entire stretch of the sky. The deafening explosion echoed, accompanied by the blinding flash of the lightning. This compilation video of lightning moments takes us on a journey into the majestic and mysterious world of nature, while also reminding us of its formidable power. We hope this video not only provides you with an impressive experience, but also offers useful knowledge on effective lightning protection measures. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.